Hello, if you have these Yamaha wireless headphones and the Earpad cushions are old or damaged, don't worry, your 300 headphones don't need to be thrown out. You can easily buy replacement Earpads for your Yamaha headphones. To remove the old Earpads, simply turn them. The left side pad should turn upward and the right side pad downward. If the pads don't come off, try turning them in the opposite direction. If you are still having trouble, just pull the old Earpads away from the headphone body. The pads are held in place by a groove in the headphones. Once the pads are off, you can turn the rings to loosen the plastic rings. If your replacement Earpads arrive without these plastic rings, simply slide the plastic rings into the new Earpads. The edge of the Earpads must be inserted into the groove of the plastic ring. Make sure the seam of the Earpad is facing downward. This can be adjusted by turning the Earpad. After that, place the new Earpads with the plastic rings onto the headphone body. Attach the pads by twisting them into one direction until they snap securely behind the headphone body. That's it. With this method, you will be able to restore your headphones without needing to buy new ones. In the next video, I will show you how to save at least $200 by gluing a broken hinge on these Yamaha headphones. But for now, good luck!